Hey guys, do you know the guy who made 1K dollar with ChatGPT in one day? Well, let's meet him. This is Jackson Greathouse Fall, who is a writer and designer. He recently came up with a unique idea using ChatGPT. He used OpenAI ChatGPT to start a business with a goal to turn $100 into as much money as possible. He created three goals for his business plan. Goal number one was to make it legal. Goal number two was to create a business with $100 investment only. And goal number three was to make it as profitable as it can be. After several queries, ChatGPT finally gave him the business model he wanted. The bot told Jackson to initiate a blog named Green Gadget Guru. It gave Jackson a four-step plan for this. The results Jackson got after applying the plan were exceptional. Within shortest time frame, he generated 1K dollar by investing just $100. Sounds great, isn't it? So let's understand the complete story with his case study and the secret four-step plan. Let's begin. So guys, Jackson started a website about eco-friendly products called Green Gadget Guru with four steps, and that too with ChatGPT. So here are the four steps he followed. Step number one was to buy a domain and hosting. At this point, ChatGPT suggested Jackson to buy a domain name for roughly $10 and a site hosting for $5, which amounted to a total cost of $15. Step number two was to set up a niche affiliate website. ChatGPT here at this point suggested Jackson to spend his remaining $85 for website's content and design. It said that Jackson should focus on profitable niche with low competition. So Jackson decided to go with eco-friendly products rather than reviewing kitchen products and pet supplies. Step 3 that ChatGPT gave him was leverage social media. ChatGPT suggested Jackson to share his articles and product reviews on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and on online community platforms such as Reddit to engage potential customers and drive website traffic. And finally, at step number 4, it says optimize for search engine. ChatGPT here recommended Jackson to use SEO techniques to drive site traffic. And by the end of first day, it had secured $500 in investments. The results he achieved from this Green Gadget Guru project were exceptional. He made 1378K dollar with this single niche blog. So guys, what do you think about ChatGPT? Are you using it? If you're not, I think you should and let the magic happen. And yes, if you want to hear more case studies like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.